wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's video is gonna be real short, sweet, simple, to the point. I am going to unbox some PR that I've received recently, see what's new, anything to look out for. Also, I want to do another video like trying new to me makeup, so I gotta unbox this before I can do that. So first thing that I see here is from Smashbox. The whole Smashbox like shutting down just to technically like still be open, because I think it was purchased by someone. No, Smashbox purchased Becca. It wasn't Smashbox that shut down. It was Becca that shut down, and then Smashbox purchased it. But I could have sworn I heard something about Smashbox also. I don't know, but apparently they still launching things, so let's look at it. This is Christian Cohen. I guess Christian Cohen collaborated with Smashbox. This is their Breakout Star eyeshadow palette, and then this is probably just like a favorites set, layered look, mini primer and setting spray set. Baby, we all know the Smashbox primer by now. I've not tried Smashbox setting sprays. I don't remember my feelings on it, but this is the primer, and then this is the setting spray. Yeah, I've definitely never tried this setting spray before. How do you mist out? Let's see. Okay, that's a nice mist. So that's that set, and then this is the palette. Cute, shaped like a star. And then when you open it, that is what the inside looks like. Cute. You know, you gotta look at a palette to see if it's just cute or if it makes like the colors in it make sense. The colors in it make sense. I feel like you can get a couple different looks out of this one. Have I tried Smashbox? I feel like at this point I should have tried Smashbox eyeshadows. I don't remember how I feel about the formula though. But let me know if you would want to see this tested out in like a trying new to me makeup video. This, if you hear anything in the background, that is my neighbors. Just ignore the deranged behavior as I am learning to do. Next thing is from Valentino. Okay, box. How do I open it? Oh. So this is their twin liner, so eyeliner. That looks like this. Okay. Oh, he's that. Hold on. Okay, it's double. Wait a minute. Hold on. See, now I wish that I could have tried that before I did my makeup today, because now I'm intrigued by that. It's double-ended too. Okay. And then this is the Color Flip Multi-Look Eye Palette. Now, with luxury brands, eyeshadow palettes, they be looking, I know how, y'all know how they be looking. I just hope this don't look how I feel like they be looking. But very, very aesthetically pleasing packaging. Was that my stomach? It was. How do I open this? And it look how I expected it to look once I open it. Package, ooh, close. Like the packaging be fire like this, right? Then you open it and those are the colors that you get on the inside. They're probably very good shadows. It's just like, how much can you do with this? I mean, New Year's is coming, so this would be a good palette for that, but like, but thank you to Valentino. Okay, so I've been trying that primer Rich Bitch from Freck Beauty. I got a package in the mail that is a bunch of Freck products. So they sent me another primer, so I'll probably give this one away since I already have it. What is this? Cactus and Vitamin C Moisturizer. Okay. Looks like this. Okay. Cheek Slime Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Jam Sesh. This is big. That is cute packaging. Look at that. Look at that. That's cute. Okay, that looks like it'd be a cute color blush. Okay, wait a minute. Freck. I've only seen the primer. This is another lip and cheek tint in the shade Orange Wine. That is actually such cute packaging. Look at that. And I feel like these colors would also be flattering. Now I'm intrigued. Okay. Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick in the shade The Moment. So this is what the lip product packaging look. Oh, it's one of those type of lip products. So like that. Where is the sun going? Please. The Original Freckle. Oh, is this like a freckle maker? Long wear freckle makeup. Freck Noir. Okay. So if you, I don't make freckles, but you guys see I do give myself beauty marks. I have natural beauty marks on my face, but I be giving myself more. Okay, I'm gonna have to do like a full face trying Freck, and not my camera is about to overheat. I still got packages to open. Oh, can I live? Okay, so I will do a video like trying Freck Beauty so you don't have to, one of those. And we'll go through more of the products, but I am intrigued for the things that I'm seeing for the first time. I see a mascara. I'll do this really quick. Lash Rocket mascara. Okay, packaging. Okay, packaging. That is the wand. No, the sun really is trying to play with me right now. The sun's trying to play with me. Camera's trying to play with me. Okay, next package. Ooh, this is from Peach and Lily. I like their skin. They're a Korean skincare brand, right? Okay, what is this? Ooh, child, just all over the place. Transform your skin. Okay, it's just telling you about the products. So in here, I see Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Okay, I'll have to turn on the lights in a second because I'm just using the window to film. Wild Dew Treatment Essence, Drench and Prep. I'm intrigued. Ooh. Come on. Glass Skin Refining Serum. And the last thing in here is the Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. I'm intrigued. Y'all know when I get like a lot of skincare products like this from the same brand, I'll be giving myself like a week, 2 weeks just to use that skincare to see if it makes any difference, to see if there's like one specific item I want to incorporate into my skincare over the other ones. I think that's what I might do with this Peach and Lily because Glass Skin 1 with no makeup is fire. 2 under makeup. Okay, this next package I technically already opened because I was at my parents' house and I was like, oh, I need to order more Ardell lashes, and I was going to do it that day that I said that, and for some reason I didn't. Then I went home the next day and I had packages in the mail and I saw that one was from Ardell, and I was like, you know, one thing about it, I'll be stressed out about something and then God be like, say less, I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna make a way every time. Hey, he gonna make a way every time, because literally I don't know what stopped me from making that, well obviously from making that order when I thought about it, but the next day to come home and lashes. So I opened it up. This says Lashes to Celebrate, exclusively at Ulta Beauty, and it's just literally lashes. So this is their Naked Lashes, 14 pairs of lashes for $45 to $65 value. Look at the lashes that come in this set. Like, talk about natural like natural eyelashes, because there's another one here and if you put this, you see how like this is more dramatic lashes than this. These are literally like everyday type lashes. You see one is missing because it is literally the one that I am wearing in today's video, and someone I've been wearing like the last 3 or 4 videos I uploaded where I was wearing makeup. This is a very good value because the one pair of lashes that I was gonna go buy was like $6. So you get $45. They are very natural, like everyday lashes. So absolutely positively, the one on my eyes right now are $4.25. And Ardell, like literally probably best place to get lashes. The other one is the Active Lash. Like I said, a little bit more dramatic lashes, but these could still be pretty, you know, simple, like everyday lashes. This retails for $20. It's a $37 value. And you also get the Active Lash in this one. I prefer this lash glue. It's black. Your lashes aren't going anywhere throughout the day. Just Ardell, like they don't miss to me. They don't miss. Okay, so the last thing that I have here is from ColourPop, and I'm pretty sure they sent this last year, so maybe it's just a collection that they bring back every year around the same time. It's the Rudolph collection, so cute little hair clip in here, and then on the inside it's literally your standard like ColourPop collection. This is the Rudolph palette. That's what it looks like on the inside. Very cute Christmassy palette. Christmas, you know, more so Christmas. I was gonna say Christmas, New Year's, but this is more so like Christmas. You can get, you know, New Year's looks out of this one. Let me know if you would want to see anything on this Rudolph collection, but also since it's literally not like a new collection, you've probably seen reviews, stuff like that, since last year. I don't even think last year was the first year either. So they also have lip products in here. What is this? What? It's some type of lipstick, but that is a very cute color, very nude. Probably need to tone that down a little bit. And then y'all know I'm a sucker for red. It's like a reddy brown. There's a lip scrub in here. They make good lip scrubs. I feel like that's what be drawing me the most out of their collections are the lip scrubs. So a lip scrub. Do you smell like anything? Oh. Ooh, it does. It's like mint, like a minted gingerbread house. That's what it smells like. Okay, ColourPop. And I believe that is it for everything that I have to unbox. Like I said, I'm going to do a full video on Freck because it's a new to me brand. I've only tried the primer from them and from the stuff that I pulled out before my camera decided to want to start playing with me. I am intrigued, so I'll be doing a full video on that. But like the Smashbox palette, what else? The Valentino eyeliner, stuff like that, I think I might throw all in one video of trying new to me makeup. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you to all of the brands that sent me something. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.